Good morning, sir. Myself Tonu Mondol.
Mujahidul Islam.
We are from Birla Institute of Technology. Our project name is Home Security. This is basically object detection using artificial intelligence and machine learning.
What we have done here we have tried to update our home security system using object detection.
What normally happens is when we all together move out of station for few days in tour, in this time there are possibilities to enter thief into our home, steal households and went out and we can't be informed.
Mainly during Puja vacation or in winter vacation, these are common incidents normally. To protect this, we have added few features here. Mainly what happened at that moment when thief will enter into vacant house, at that moment a sound will be generated by which we will be able to alert neighbors, so that they come and chase away the thief. Next, at the moment thief entered into the house, at that moment wherever the owner may be, a phone call will reach to him. The owner will be informed thief has entered into his house. Whatever protection measures he wish to take, he can call the police or inform his relatives. With this, he can also do wherever he will be. If he wants to see who has entered into his house, he can see a video clip with the help of his mobile phone or laptop. Sir, I have explained in detail, now demonstrating the project. Firstly, here object will be detected. Here every kind of object are being detected. Cell phone is being detected, teddy bear is being detected, book is being detected, but no call now. The moment I will face camera towards a person, just at that moment a sound will be generated for neighbors, through which neighbors will inform that a thief has entered into the house. And at the same time a phone call will reach owner of the house. Now moving camera towards a person.
চোর 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 ঘরে চোর ঢুকেছে, কে কোথায় আছো তাড়াতাড়ি আসো, ঘরে চোর ঢুকেছে। চোর 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 ঘরে চোর ঢুকেছে, কে কোথায় আছো তাড়াতাড়ি আসো, ঘরে চোর ঢুকেছে।
স্যার এখানে
চোর
সাউন্ডটা আমি
চোর
মিউট
চোর
করছি।
ঘরে চোর ঢুকেছে।
Here we can see a continuous phone call is coming. This has been considered as owner's mobile. I am receiving the call. Please listen what the call telling.
Hi Tanu, I Sugandha, there is a thief in your home.
সুগন্ধা, তনু, তোমাদের ঘরে চোর ঢুকেছে, তাড়াতাড়ি কাউকে ফোন করে খবর দাও, বাড়ির আশেপাশের লোকজনদের ডাকো, তোমাদের ঘরে চোর ঢুকেছে।
Till the person will be detected, the call will be continuously coming.
What I said, if the owner wish, he can see the thief in his mobile or laptop also. He can see from here. The moment when the thief will be detected, a footage will come from camera to house owner's mobile so that owner can see and identify the thief.